Good morning, Vlogmas, and welcome back to day 11. We are starting this on Friday morning, and it is 10:38, and I'm eating leftover Chick-fil-A for breakfast because it sounded good. I'm really tired. Almost didn't get out of bed today tired. This is gonna be an interesting day. I need to wake up. I'm not even hungry. Like, why am I like choking? Today I have to drop off my cheer uniform and palms to my cheer coach. I also am going to the school's basketball game tonight, which is orange theme, and I'm so excited because orange is one of my favorite colors. That's about it for right now. Good morning. I'm packing my cheer uniform and my palms to turn in. I honestly forgot I had them still. Going in the book bag. Let me grab my laptop. Y'all do not look at my outfit. Oh my gosh. I stay embarrassing myself by the way I dress. I get it. Fully understand that I cannot dress myself. I don't care to try. Like I told you, almost didn't go to school today. So proud of me for going. Bag hack. Let's go.
You know what? Let me simply. Hey vlog, I'm Alex. I'm gonna show you guys the worm room. This is also Alex.
Hello. You wanna follow me to the worm room?
Yeah, we're going to the worm room.
They upgraded it apparently.
Hi vlog, this is the worm room.
Oh. Wow. They're kissing.
Yeah.
Oh my.
There is a lot going on here. That's my editing station. They're playing Smash Brothers. I can't show you that because we have these people.
The worm
and then worms. A lot of worms.
A lot of
I like worms.
A lot of worms.
Did you bring me a pink one?
Yeah, I got
I replaced your murdered one? Yes, Reed took my worm yesterday and ripped it in half. So I get a new pink one.
somewhere in here.
Okay. Oh my gosh. Thank you so much. Oh my gosh. Ah. Look at that guy. Look at that guy.
He fancy.
He's so fancy.
He's so fancy, bro.
Thank you. I love it.
This was the worm room, and this is the Alex segment.
Bye.
Can you do me a favor and drive me home?
Oh my gosh.
We're driving him home.
I'm setting up this little segment. Come here, Jack. Jack's gonna go around the cafeteria asking people.
Ask people questions with my HS TV mic.
What kind of questions are you asking? Do you even have questions?
We're asking questions that are like really hard to answer. So we're gonna like trick all the freshmen into giving us stupid answers, and then we laugh at them.
Oh,
Yeah.
well, I got you an extension cord and it clearly didn't work. So we're gonna find a bigger one. Well, that's it. That's all. I have to take Jack home from school today. Hello, Vlogmas. As you can tell, it is much later. It is now almost 3 p.m. I got home from school and I've just been laying in my bed doing absolutely nothing. I don't know, I'm kind of really tired and the weather's ugly. Kind of put me in like a chill kind of mood. The other day I bought these cookies that you guys saw and I really want to make them because, I don't know, I really want this kind, like the chocolate peppermint. I love peppermint. I know a lot of people hate mint chocolate, but I love mint chocolate. So we're gonna cook some cookies. And this is the best I can do because I can't cook or bake. This is what we got. Nestle Toll House Snow Day white chocolate chip cookie dough. That one looks good. And then cookie dough with red and white peppermint chunks. Preheat oven to 350. I don't even know how to preheat the oven.
Your girl doesn't know how to do anything around the house.
Oh, turn the lights off. The lighting is bad. Okay, well, the oven's heated. Do I have to spray these? It doesn't say I have to. Okay, I guess we're not spraying them. This is like very anticlimactic. Look how cute this is. These are gonna be adorable. But first, I'm eating one because honestly, cookie dough tastes better when it's raw. I don't know how I could mess up cookies that are already like in a package, but I feel like I can. They're so cute. Okay, I think this is evenly spaced out. Don't mind my fingers, they're really chocolatey now, but I think that looks good. Bussin'. I'm gonna set these peppermint ones aside. They look so good. The batter tastes amazing, so I just know those are gonna be yummy. And now we're gonna do these, which unpopular opinion, I also love white chocolate. I know a lot of people don't. I'm excited for both of these. I mostly got these because they're like festive, and I know I can't like decorate cookies good, so at least these will like look cute, you know? Or hopefully, that's the goal. Oh my gosh, these are so cute. They have sprinkles and snowflakes. think that looks good. Let's try this one. I just got a little piece. This one's good too. The peppermint one was better though. I can't tell if I'm really hungry or these are just really good, but this dough is like top tier. So here we have the peppermint ones and the sugar cookie ones, and the oven's preheating. They cook for 12 minutes. I think I'm gonna put them in now though, because I'm impatient. Oh. Is it supposed to go like vertical or horizontal in the oven? Horizontal, okay. Like that. I think that's good. Beautiful. They look so good. It's been a little over 12 minutes. They still look a little raw. I don't know, do they? I need to grab something to grab them with. How do you know if they're done? I just don't know if they're done. These look done because they're like brown. Here's what my cookies look like. I think they're done. I hope they're done. But we're just gonna let them sit here and cool while I go get my brother from school. But they smell really yummy. Look at who it is. Hello. Oh, hello. How was school? Because you're never in the vlogs and everybody always says, why is Chase never in the vlog? So this is proof Chase doesn't want to be in the vlog. People need to know that I was bopping. Okay, I picked up Chase. I tried my cookies. They're alright. I'm not gonna say they're fantastic or wonderful or anything spectacular. They're alright, okay? You know what did come in? Chase's Christmas presents. So, Chase doesn't watch Vlogmas. He hates being in my videos, blah, 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 blah. But he loves this website called Boohoo Man, and he gets like all of his clothes from there. So anytime I want to get him presents, it's always like clothes, and I always order them off Boohoo. I've done it for like his birthday, other stuff. I placed a big Boohoo order. I got some things for me too, so we're gonna do a little unboxing. I'm gonna have to like open them because I literally don't even remember what I got. This package took like 3 weeks to get here, so I will say that. But first I got this t-shirt. It says Los Angeles. Oh, it's a long sleeve, extra large Los Angeles graphic tee. I've gotten stuff from Boohoo before too, Boohoo Man, and I just like it because it's oversized and I have really cute graphic tees. I think this one might have been for me. I need to look through the whole package first. This one's definitely for Chase. He only wears like dark colors, so anytime you see dark colored clothing, it's probably for him. It says edition limit, what? Edition limitee. I don't know. You literally can't see, but it's just like a black on black, and this is the kind of stuff that he wears and layers all the time. So I thought he would really like this, and it gives me like his vibes. I don't want to get him clothes that he's not gonna wear, so if he only wants to wear dark colors, then I'm only gonna get him that, you know? Yeah, then I got him this shirt. It's like this graphic tee that says Boston, and it's gray, which is another one of the colors that he really likes. So I think he's really gonna like this. It's so cute and very comfy. Like, I want to steal all of these clothes. They're like the big oversized men's clothes, you know? I love styling him. Like, he always asks me like, what's your opinion on this before he buys it? So I think he's really gonna like these. And then I know this last thing is for me because I got it because I wanted it. And this is a really big zip up. It's a gray one, and oh my gosh, it's just gonna be like so oversized and so comfy. Can you like tell? Look how huge it is. I love it. So I got this in an XL, so it's really, really comfy. And just like layering, oh, it's so soft on the inside too. And I have like black zip up. I have a black zip up, I have a navy zip up, I have like a dark gray zip up, but I just wanted big, like comfy gray one. And look at this, I love it. And I can wear this with like everything, like layered jackets, layered tanks under tees, with like a good pair of leggings or sweats. I can even wear it like on top of the sweatshirt I'm wearing right now. Yeah, I love it. That's so good. So I actually think I did get him the shirt, but I low-key think he might hate it, so I might just keep it for myself and order him some more stuff, because no way is he gonna wear a yellow shirt. That is just not his style. This also looks like. So I think I'm gonna keep this for myself and just order him some more. Those were the 4 shirts I got off Boohoo, and I think my total was like $70, so it's really not that bad. So I'm still collecting everyone's Christmas presents. I have like a secret stash hidden in my room so no one can find or see them. But so far I have Bella's, I have Cam's, I need to get a little more for Chase's, and then a little more for my parents. And then I think I'm all good. Look how swimming I am in this jacket and this shirt. This is so funny. This is literally how I wear like all of my clothes 99% of the time. And I feel like you can definitely tell throughout Vlogmas, all I wear is comfy clothes like this. First off, just look at this shirt with no jacket over it. Oh my gosh, I'm all stuck. It's actually so big. Full on dress. like full dress, and I could not be more happy. So yeah, I'm keeping this one. It's super cute. Love the color, love the design, and then the jacket is just literally so soft. So expect to see me wear the both of these very soon. I'm lighting the candle again, and I'm taking your guys' tips and tricks. So person said take the match and you go like this, and then you turn the candle like this. That way the fire doesn't burn your fingers off. So that's what we're gonna do right now and see if this works. Oh my gosh. No way. Oh my gosh. That is the first time I've ever lit a candle on my first try. Wow. Vlogmas is teaching me things. It's teaching me how to light candles. That's actually so impressive for me. I just dropped Chase off at work. Basically, I play Uber for my entire family. It's great. But the theme to our volleyball game got changed and now it's blackout. So before I go, I literally just need to like fix my hair because you see all this, it fell out. Before I go to the volleyball game, I'm just gonna rebraid my hair so I can like put these pieces back in here, put a bra on, that's it.
Hey guys, it's Bella. Katie just got out of bed. She hates me because I put her lights on. She just stays in the dark like a vampire. Anyways, I'm feeding her fish.
Look over here. So it
smells so bad. Sorry, I didn't mean to expose you. He's going crazy. I think Bubblegum needs a friend because Funyun died.
Y'all, I do not want to go to this basketball game. Do I smell good?
You do smell good.
Sure.
Yes. This is a fit check.
Blackout.
It's blackout. I'm wearing leggings from Amazon. I'm not holding that right. Leggings from Amazon. This is from Target, I think. Zip up from Walmart.
I can't find the sock.
You were just holding up two socks.
They didn't go.
Those go. I swear the first ones you were holding up did go.
I didn't go.
No go?
Don't show my toes on the internet for free. No! No
Alex,
free toes.
blur them out. I think you need a cameraman. Camera woman.
Really
Camera woman.
No.
Exposed. Exposed. How long has that? You have, oh my god. How long has this cup been here? She's got Jolly Rancher wrappers in there. Her nail, oh. Katie, that's so bad. You need to clean your room.
You're making me feel bad.
It's okay, it's okay. We love you for it.
It's not.
Alright, well guys, we are about to leave. We'll see you guys at the game. Bye.
What's up, vlog?
Hi.
We left the basketball game. We left the basketball game. Oh, I got lettuce. And now we're eating pizza.
No cussing.
No cussing. Do you want this?
I found cheese.
Oh,
No way you're the salad different.
what do you mean?
Do you not even eat dressing?
Not normally. Okay, Vlogmas, we're home. It's 11:07. You guys saw we went to the basketball game, then we got pizza, and that's about it. But I'm gonna end Vlogmas here. I hope you enjoy. We'll see you tomorrow. Bella's gonna sleep over, so she'll be in Vlogmas again tomorrow.
Like always.
Like she's in every single vlog, but they're gonna be sick of me. Are you kidding me? We're gonna be sick of us. Peace, love, Vlogmas. See you tomorrow. Bye.